Barcelona have a verbal agreement with Ilkay Gundogan. So Obo final anywhere, he'll make a decision on his future. Manchester City am an offer 2 years plus 1. He's considering it. Saudi Arabia for instance also now Barcelona. For the second time running, Barcelona could be going with Saudi Arabia. Senananka omoye Messi and but Gundogan there no. I mean, what should I say? Na Man City a BBA dance here. Say it is just a verbal agreement. Laporta a groundwork no there, but no boy find a new no say na agreement say.
Oh, when there, be crab it me as TC.
Exactly. But among the say groundwork say any player in the camp in sharing come you miss 1 or 2 bino. Oma dream say they've done enough kweku. Oma ye do edru level omu gidi pass kai gonu and so bo final ni we are ko betimi de nani achim na ba be si akai.
Ono is ba ba be she ho yan nai. Ahomo de ne ba be ka obodi bi you ask about so now so signings and is the niam bu obo ya na Barcelona.
Ko ja ko Aston Villa.
That is no corner when you
good. It reflects. And I will be say, baby, I'm lucky to see an typical number 6 now. Busquets in on. And he says to be Mendy, but obit my bosses now. Why not?
Gundogan 6.
Sano mupe.
Ish.
Maybe a lone 6 and now double 6 on the Frankie De Jong. 2 technicians.
Okay.
So
exactly.
Double the dynamics, but this is it. Verbal agreement now been because about final you know aje abeka say man time kakra we lose abeka say man time kakra no find hilly, but then it all depends on what happens. I don't know what Thomas Tuchel is trying to achieve with Bayern Munich, but Uti Michael there Bayern Munich are literally trying to collapse the other teams. Of course. I'm up Rafael Guerreiro. And yes, sir. Guerreiro need to help you, Juma. Rafael Guerreiro. I'm you, Juma, or Dortmund.
Okay. Say we not do it, or was a free agent.
Okay. Nyoji DFB Pokal. Yes, in the pressing monster. O Janho. Conrad Lema. And also Baba in Munich. Frankfurt. After some year or Europe season, Momo ya there no. Randall Colomwani. Say Hurricane nenye Victor Osimhen nenye ya wa number ko Randall Colomwani. Even within the league, Kweku, you see when there are 3 they are attempting to pick from, which is consistent with what Bayern Munich does, pilfering the very best of talents from other clubs in the German Bundesliga. But it is what it is. Naby Keita Werder Bremen. Obinya 1.5 million euros a year plus other incentives.
You na be more say Jumana na be also be na me say
primary management ball do nimbo anytime he had the opportunity Obobia Liverpool play better so what drink also
Obobia na mo
whenever Liverpool has him fit playing Liverpool are better Onimwa they are not better.
Wow.
His biggest problem has been availability. What could have been Kwakwe escapa na Liverpool to go no
Naby
3rd most expensive signing in their history, £52 million. Then that's a lot of money.
Oh, Modu 52 grand and it means
Sign Jai and the man it now Leipzig 1 more year. Man Steven Gerrard number 8 no Kwakuda no manye. It's been a very underwhelming expedition in England on the individual level. At a player level, Kwaku level announcing can Naby Keita page Akudruno. When Timen know about on the trophy level, he won everything.
Level now also pick up
individually as a person. When Timen
by ban the trophy in India
or GBA, G Premier League, G Champions League, G FA Cup, G Carabao Cup, G Super Cup, G Club World Cup. He was an active part.
Wow.
But on the individual level, granted he spent more time on the treatment table.
I don't know crown after football no you can't be more players or more CV so FA in terms of trophy. Okay, but
that it's sad. Obe person ka on the individual level. Team ne ya there. So ya there.
Yeah.
You get the point, but it wasn't to be. But Werder Bremen, one of the top 5 clubs in Germany. So it's pretty obvious it will be okay. Marseille any got to do a trim. Now Marseille ni got to do a trim, no. Omo didn't come on and compare Christophe Galtier from Marseille, former PSG manager, no. Then so Pablo Longoria and Impenyu for Moye Marseille Nisru say Ombefa manager directly from PSG. Amana Aba no Ababe manager on team no. Because there's conflict between the two set of fans. Even though free they won't welcome him like that. And Gaultier has been involved in racism in Sensimbi and saying for his time at Nice in Patros Obekaya. And Unsusu Yadebakwa a pushy PSG for no of signing him. But PSG sa almost feche any Marcelo Gallardo didn't come up. Yehunia Gallardo River Plate. And on one casa no Paquina Abe Kuchu Europe because this is Latin America no could be naka.
On the other day Bibia
Copa America Libertadores we are but so we didn't come out Longoria my man and said they would let him come to Marseille. Now more has some money ultras in didn't come also into that is an ambitious and a very innovative coach. As a footballer he was even better. Well, made France 98 na me I remember him so well. The 3 million baby in Gunechi. Gallardo no Ortega no mun popo.
Gallardo no
Ortega. One match. And na Veron. Sensini
yeah.
And no mo dey chire say. And na sound nipa ni mo. And na Batista yom. Omu Gallardo no kwado no fi bench na. Come mo Jamaica bi om show mo 5-0.
Argentina was 98 no na.
Masana squad na no dey o. Argentina. Say Dennis Beckham try muti za no. Na ball na mo. And aside say Kwaku Diego Simeone so da o machi o. Oye adwuma ni nyina. Then Valencia winger
Claudio Lopez.
Yeah.
Mabi yo Argentina o.
Yeah. No mo ni ball ni bo. Omo pass no mo movie. Carlos Roa. If the Carlos Roa na that good.
Yeah.
Omunimbo. Omune England 2-2 no. Na ya la katim no.
Argentina le bishop. That from Tina.
I mean, I'm say what's some now can the man here ya 2002 there.
Yes.
Because Ortega no the aftermath of the debacle of US 94 with Maradona. And Maradona aircon no nkwa ne call you. Oni o heburu chaga mu nyina and the exit system nim. So nti o hwese na no manisi corner. Au. Na come on. So nti no omo bobo na omo free 98 no 2002 na Bielsa buy no. He brought young boys and they experience what Kili Gonzalez, Claudio Lopez, Veron. That time Veron experienced though.
Yes.
Mauricio Pochettino experienced. Roberto Ayala, Ejina and Nassau as they no Nenia Edin. But England they faso. And also so Pablo Aimar and an airborne ball and a Gallardo born in 98 no. Not only they no can never say Gallardo there no. Cause Aimar no so jibona. Okoko peja na nia pass na because this year. You get it, but it's been like that. Kuku yembe wie e Argentina because of nkomo na dey aba no.